What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I wanted to quickly share with you guys the pricing that's available here with HubSpot. Now, HubSpot does have a free plan and it does have a starter plan. They don't necessarily offer discounts, but you do have a 14-day free trial for the starter plan, and you can kind of test the service completely without any limitations or restrictions. You can test it out for 14 days, and if you like it, you can go ahead and buy it. If not, well, you can just stay with the free tools or just not use the service if you don't like it at all. Overall, though, if I wanted to sum up what HubSpot is all about, I really like how it practically pioneered the concept of inbound marketing, because HubSpot's platform is built around this philosophy, aiming to attract and nurture leads through content and genuine engagement rather than disruptive tactics. And if you're not familiar with what inbound marketing is, it's basically a strategy that focuses on attracting customers by offering valuable and relevant content tailored to their interests rather than aggressively pushing products or services onto them. So instead of using interruptive tactics like traditional ads, inbound marketing pulls potential customers in through engaging content such as blogs, videos, and social media. And the goal is to naturally draw people to your business when they're interested or seeking solutions that you provide. And you can manage your contacts and sales and deals, and you can even create landing pages, optimize your SEO, create ads, emails. You have reports on everything and whether or not they click or open your emails. And it's a very useful tool overall if you're starting a business. But as far as which one to go for here, you do have a free tool that you can use, the free tool plan. So yeah, that will be sort of the discount that you're looking for, but you still get a 14-day free trial of the starter plan. And as far as discounts, you're not really going to get much than just paying upfront here and saving $120 instead of paying monthly here. You can just pay it upfront an entire year, and you'll be paying $240 a year instead of $360. And let's just talk a little bit about these plans to help you figure out which one could be the best choice for you and your situation. I'd say the free tools plan is best for beginners, startups, or small businesses that are dipping their toes into the digital marketing realm. It's great for those that want to try out basic tools without any financial commitment. And the starter plan is great for businesses or solo entrepreneurs that need a little more than the basics. And this is for folks who are starting to get a little more strategic about their online presence, but aren't necessarily big enough to need all the advanced bells and whistles just yet. It's perfect for those that want a mix of marketing, sales, and customer service tools on a budget. So in essence, if you're just starting out or testing the waters, the free tools plan is great. But if you're serious about growing and enhancing your online strategy, the starter plan is more than tailored for your needs. So that is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys have a better idea of which plan to go for. And either way, like I said, you can grab the starter plan for free for 14 days with the trial linked below. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with future videos. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.